It's raining tacos. One out of the sky. Tacos. No need to ask why. Just open your mouth and close your eyes. It's raining tacos. It's raining tacos. Out on the street. Tacos. Oh, can eat. What is it sound? Cheese and meat. It's raining tacos.
Yum, 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 yum. It's like a dream. Yum, 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 when it's sour cream. Someone drop me lettuce, trees, chop me lettuce, cheese, chop meat. Cheese, 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 cheese.
It's raining tacos. Woo! Raining tacos. Woo! Raining tacos. Woo! It's raining tacos.
It's raining tacos. Oh, raining tacos. Oh, raining tacos. It's raining tacos. It's raining tacos. The end. Subscribe and like to my videos for more subscribers and likes. You better like so many times as my subscribers. I made the It's Raining Tacos, so you always to like and subscribe to me before I post a surprise cafeteria chicken, not cafeteria chicken, and confront you with my 35 subscribers. Thank you all of you watching my It's Raining Tacos video. So you have to make it easier than that. The first step, you need to make ADOs. The second step, you need to use or okay? So you have to slowly make an animation with a lot of ADOs. Okie dokie.